So I'm loving the background which I'm getting of the skies this morning, and I had to record a video about Dhurandhar which I saw yesterday. It's a great movie. Okay, the plot is settled in Layari. The Indian asset in the form of Hamza, who was actually a criminal in India. The intelligence bureau uses him according to the movie. So the character is sort of fictionalized, and they get into the core, the infiltrate, as they say, the core of terrorism in Pakistan. This is settled around the late 90s and early 2000s, and sort of covers also some beginning of 2010s also. Um, and the whole plot sort of thickens as we cover the final chapter of the movie. So the movie is sort of segmented into few chapters. I guess it's more than 5 chapters, and by the end of it we see the antagonist, the villain, Akshay Khanna, the Rahman dacoit, die in the encounter, and I love the whole plot of it. It sort of builds up one by one. We understand each and every character, we understand the POV, we understand what they are in for. We know why Ranveer is doing what he is doing, how much um, subtle character development is sprinkled throughout for his character too. His personality is so strong. Like, I totally fell for it. I definitely feel he has worked on his shoulders and his torso area too much in this movie. His mane, oh my god, I loved his hair, and especially in this song Gehra Hua, when he is gifting her a thing or something, and the way he looks at her like this and like this, inclined twice. I just loved it so much. And even though it's 3 hours 34 minutes long movie, I absolutely was seated for it, and I was sort of like, okay, can you just release the part 2 right here, right now? But we have to wait for it another 3 months. I guess it's gonna come on March 19th, and the songs are great. I am vibing on Gehra Hua, I'm vibing on Move, I'm vibing on the title track as well. Loved it. Love the cinematography. I've seen that the set was built in Thailand and a few in India and here and there, and the whole creative direction, the set designing and all of that, बहुत मेहनत लगा है, and they have left no stone unturned, and absolutely a banger from Bollywood this time, Hindi cinema as they want them to call us to call them. Definitely loved it. So yeah. What else? Yeah, Akshay Khanna is the guy who stole the show, moreover, but I like Ranveer too, because of the build, his mane, his just his personality, and I loved it. Yeah, I'm gonna watch The Revenge, the Dhurandhar Part 2, which will come earlier next year. And yeah, that's for it. Rambling done. See you.